Hi everyone, I'm ADLINK. Welcome visit all the booths.
And what's your name?
Oh, I'm Wilson. I'm
right.
Wilson, and let me show you the ADLINK booth.
Let's walk around a little bit. Let's go here. So at the booth, you have a cool robot.
Okay.
What is this robot doing?
Yes, you can see this the mobile. This robot is the use the industry, and they can really working on the factory. You can see that arm can pick up 50 pound the product, and they're very flexible to use arm.
You can implement AI, so everything is automatic?
Yes, this product, this mobile, they have the AI device inside because they have used many the 3D camera.
Is there?
Yes, and they have NVIDIA Jetson engine inside, and we product the end product. So this machine is the ADLINK device inside, and the NVIDIA the soul inside.
Nice. Here you're showing. Is this in partnership with the AUO, or the screen is a transparent micro LED?
Yes, this the translator micro LED monitor. They use they can use the retailing, and can use the Republic, and they can use the vending machine.
All right. Let me just have a look 1 second here. Yeah. Okay. So it's implemented with this box.
This box, there's the LLM inside.
So this is a large language model, and it could be running together with a transparent micro LED. Okay, let's walk around. So what do you have going on here and here?
Okay, this station is provide the edge in the smart manufacturer, and we can use the edge in the server to.
So it's an Intel Xeon 600 or AMD EPIC?
Yes, and they integrate all the partner solution for the ERP, can make like the knowledge management solution.
And this is
This is very interesting. We can provide the hardware that the customer don't first time to buy all the hardware can simulate that's the agent, and they have the put on the software into all the hardware product to simulate that performance.
Nice. And what do you show here?
Okay. This word is the introduce all the partner. ADLINK is the embedded computing, so we have the many process from the MD, NSP,
it's on the board there.
NVIDIA, Intel, and MTK. Of course, we have the Qualcomm, the product.
So what's special with this? What is this here?
Okay, this product is the smart cam. Normally the camera just the camera to use, but they have the processor inside. We have the put on the Qualcomm the CPU. We make the module inside the camera. So that means it's the smart camera, not only the camera.
And you design with the whole optics, everything is in one box?
Yes, we design and production the whole the product.
And what is special about this little box here?
This is the MTK CPU inside. And the next box is more the small size, and they has very powerful. They support to HDMI output. So this product is very compact and economic for the entry the use.
With the Genio 520.
Yes.
And what is this? What is this box here?
Okay. This box is the NVIDIA the Jetson soul inside.
And what is special about the design?
Yes, the whole box is ADLINK design and the production.
All right. So anything else you want to say about the Edge AI?
Okay.
What is this?
This station is the true introduction. We use the Intel Pencil-like. We production the COM module. We design and manufacture the COM module, and we go through the cable to fulfill the function. And this station is the demo, the Pencil-like performance.
It's about a local AI agent.
Let's Intel the CPU. They have the CPU, NPU, and the GPU inside. So it's the total solution hardware. You don't need extra put the GPU.
And you run Gemma 4, for example, as a model?
They use the OpenMino, Intel the AI solution OpenMino.
All right. Cool. What else you want to show here around the booth? Or if we just go in the front here, can you talk about what's on this wall? What do you talk about here?
Okay. This wall is the show of all the customer. ADLINK have the Edge AI agent platform the solution. So we have the smart manufacturer. We can provide more the AI the hardware, and we use the AI the agent solution for the medical, for the retail, and for the factory robot. So I think the AI the agent they will deploy the entry. They have the value.
Nice. What's this white stuff here? 3D imaging and MediaTek. It's like some boards here.
This station they have show you all the product. They has the integrated 3D the solution. So customer and the doctor they don't use the 3D glasses.
Okay. They don't use that.
Yeah. You can. We have the NVIDIA the GPU module inside. If you need more GPU performance, we can use the extra the GPU module put on this fulfill you the extra the computing need.
Nice. And anything else you want to show? What else you want to talk about at this booth? ADLINK is very busy all the time making cool technology, right?
ADLINK is the professional edge AI solution provider, and we provide all the customer capability and reliability the hardware. And we hope the customer they have any need can first time ask the ADLINK. We will provide some solution.
Nice. And it's give me the t-shirt?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
That's the gift from the Noble.
Nice. That's cool. It's a noble, very noble machine.
Yes. This machine is the ADLINK product inside and the NVIDIA soul inside.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.